Hey, it's Dave Rex. I was going to forecast here for you. It's still a little chilly overnight tonight. In Detroit, 39. That's warmer than it was last night, but there'll be some cool spots in the suburbs in the low to mid 30s. You can see normally we're around 41 there for the average low. Here, look at some of the numbers now. Ann Arbor, 31. Port Huron around 30, but 41 the warm spot in Warren. So again, overall a little bit warmer. A couple clouds toward morning, and I think Tuesday's probably a partly sunny day. Not quite as blue as it was on Monday, but still nice. Temperatures, though, behind the next cold front that moves through are going to be down. Upper 40s and lower 50s with 52 in Detroit. And it's a little bit chilly, too, with the wind picking up. Northwest winds in the afternoon tomorrow, 15 to 25. That's Tuesday. Record high is 83. The average high is 59. So we're going to be low for a while. As a matter of fact, upper 40s on Wednesday despite decent sunshine. Struggling to get to 50 Thursday, 51 Friday. And wouldn't you know, just as we get into the weekend, the clouds start to thicken up here. Next rain chance looks like Saturday night and Sunday. Temperatures in the low 50s this coming weekend.